Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Ledger Nano X with Coinbase. We'll cover the crucial steps to enhance your cryptocurrency security. First, we'll ensure your Ledger device is ready. Then, I'll guide you through connecting it to your Coinbase account. Finally, you'll learn how to securely transfer your digital assets, giving you greater control and peace of mind over your investments. Before connecting to Coinbase, you need to set up your Ledger Nano X. Power on your device and follow the on-screen instructions to choose a PIN. Next, install the Ledger Live application on your computer or smartphone. Most importantly, write down your unique 24-word recovery phrase on the provided sheet and store it in a very safe, private place. This phrase is your ultimate backup. Now, let's move your assets. Open Ledger Live and select the account for the cryptocurrency you want to transfer. Click Receive to generate a unique address. Carefully copy this address. Then, go to your Coinbase account, find the Send option, and paste the Ledger address. Always double-check that the address on your computer screen matches the one displayed on your Ledger device before confirming. To maintain maximum security, always verify the receiving address directly on your Ledger Nano X device before confirming any transaction. It's a good practice to send a small test amount, perhaps $5 worth, before transferring a significant sum. Remember, your 24-word recovery phrase is the master key to your funds. Keep it absolutely private and secure. Never input it online.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.